What's the meaning of capably? Capably. Capably.
Capably. Capably. Capably means having the ability or skill to do something well. When someone is described as acting capably, it means they are performing a task competently and with expertise. This can include tasks such as problem solving, decision making, managing a team, or demonstrating a particular skill or talent. Being able to act capably often requires experience, knowledge, and confidence, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. Overall, being capably is an important trait to possess in both personal and professional settings, as it allows individuals to achieve their goals and excel in their pursuits.